We have an order for Alina from Florida. She ordered a pencil. It's perfect to use for mapping. When you're practicing, you can blend it and it creates a soft, natural shaded look. It's great for all the skin types. She ordered an Etalon Mix Black shade. It's only used for eyelids. After it's healed, the color is stunning. It doesn't require an additional corrector, which is great. And then she ordered a few of the Kwadron Optimal cartridges. It's the most popular brand in the permanent makeup industry. The shell is made out of high quality medical grade plastic, and the needle is made of surgical steel. Each box contains 20 cartridges that are each disposable in disposable packaging, and it's compatible with any permanent makeup machines.